Namaskar, it's a beautiful day to be alive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own bullet journal or a planner from a simple notebook. And first of all, I have all of my things ready, which are some sticky notes, pencils, eraser, marker, colored pens, of course a notebook. I also have some tea with me to sip on while doing it, and an amethyst rock crystal because it brings out some peaceful vibes, and making this planner was very therapeutic for me. It was sort of having my own me time. You can choose any notebook, but it's good to use something which already has grids in it, and I'm using this one which was a gift to me by one of my old colleagues. I have already planned all of the pages using a pencil, and on the front page I'm writing 2020 first because of course it's a 2020 planner, and then I have a motivational word right here which is balance, because this year I'm going to focus more on having a balance in my life. The last year was more about growth, and this year it's going to be more about balance. The next page is going to be a key page because I'm a beginner to bullet journaling, and as a first timer I need to remember which symbols I'm using for tasks, event, appointment, notes and ideas. I'm going to put a tick mark on them when I complete them, arrow when I move them to the next day, and a cross when I cancel the particular task. I'm going to use red color for my YouTube video ideas, purple for Instagram, green for payments and bills, and blue for other deadlines. The next page is going to be a goals page, and here I have a design. For this, I just downloaded a black and white picture from Pinterest and I got it printed on paper. I colored it using some colored pens, and it was in a ring sort of floral design. I just cut it up and pasted it, and I'll be writing goals for January to June inside it. On the next page, I'm going to write down the goals that I'm going to do from Jan to June. After the goals page, I have the monthly spread for the month of January, wherein I'm drawing different boxes for each day of the month, and then I'm marking the days of the week starting from Sunday to Saturday, and then I'm numbering the different dates, that is from 1st to 31st. Inside these boxes, I'll be marking the different dates on which I have to do something. I'll be using the different colors as mentioned in the key page, and in the same colored ink I'll be writing down when I have to post a particular YouTube video or post something on Instagram, do some payments, or meet the different deadlines that I have. After the monthly spread, I have the habits tracker page. Here I'm going to list down all of the habits which I want to form this year, because these are going to help me fulfill all of the goals that I have. And then I mark down from 1 to 31st, because I have a grid notebook, so I don't need to draw different boxes for each day. I'll be just filling the different grids at the end of the day every day, and in this way I'll be tracking all of the habits in my bullet journal. After the habits tracker page, I'm going to draw the different weekly spreads, in which I have drawn different boxes starting from Monday to Saturday/Sunday. This is going to be a to-do list for each day of the week, and I have kept more space from Monday to Friday. I have combined the weekends together on the same day because I want to keep myself a little free on those days so that I can give more time to my family. Once I'm done with all of the pages for the weekly spreads, I have the monthly review page, which is my favorite part in this planner. It's like a gratitude page, and also I need to note down on all of the areas which I need to work on to improve. So it's a very important part of the planner, and thus it will go on and on for all the months of this year. Now here's an overview. First I have the front page which says 2020 balance, and then I have the key page which shows all of the different symbols and the colors that I'm going to use. Then I have the half yearly goals for the year page, and then I have the monthly spread for the month, the habits tracker. Then I have the different weekly spreads, which is going to be the to-do list for each day of the month. After that, I have the monthly review page. So that's all about my planner. Let me know if you want me to make more videos on how I use this planner. And I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.